As Tempus AI undergoes another moderate retracement, it's shifting towards a shallower incline. Yet long-term bullish sentiment remains due to it expanding its AI-enabled care pathway intelligence platform, Tempus Next, to breast cancer. The platform, initially launched for lung cancer, helps physicians deliver guideline-directed medical care by identifying patients who may benefit from specific biomarker testing and surfacing care gaps. Tempus Next integrates patient data from electronic medical records with up-to-date clinical guidelines. Mercy's healthcare system, with over 1,000 locations and 5,000 physicians across several states, has integrated Tempus Next for both breast and lung cancer. The platform aims to support personalized cancer care by keeping pace with rapidly evolving clinical guidelines. As a result, the continuation of weak selling can more easily give way to a rebound, even if there are just a few green days with volume at or above 17 million, making a return to 80 more plausible heading towards September. Though if 65 can't be cleared by the end of the 3 to 5 fib time zone interval, a sharper drop down to 50 would be quite normal. Meanwhile, Pony AI has been confined in its IPO price range. However, the end of neutral to bearish sentiment may have arrived after the formalization of their partnership with Dubai's Roads and Transport Authority to advance L4 autonomous mobility solutions with a robo-taxi unveiling ceremony in Dubai. The collaboration will deploy Pony AI's autonomous driving technology in a multi-phase rollout, with initial supervised robo-taxi trials beginning in late 2025 and fully driverless service expected later in the decade. The partnership aims to enhance urban mobility efficiency, reduce traffic congestion, and establish sustainable transportation models in line with Dubai's vision for autonomous mobility. That's why there's growing interest in a bounce back to the 15 range. Add to that, Pony has already secured robotaxi operational permits in key markets, including the US, China, South Korea, and Luxembourg, and has partnered with Uber to launch robotaxi operations in the Middle East. Then there could be more bullish backing in the long, medium, and short term, increasing the chances of breaking over the IPO price range, possibly even with just a few green days where volume is at or above 19 million, heading towards the next fib time zone interval. Similarly, SOUN AI also appears to be on the verge of advancing higher. Specifically, the market is watching to see if it can establish into the 1280 to 15 range, which is defined by the gap down and descending triangle from earlier in the year. Optimism is driven by the usual, like speculation around new partnerships and high short interest building up for a possible short squeeze. More broadly speaking, SoundHound is experiencing rapid enterprise adoption of its AI platform, with significant growth in usage metrics and broader deployment. In Q1 2025, the company saw a 5x increase in ticket volumes, a 50x decrease in average resolution time, and a 50% improvement in automation rates. Its voice AI engine processed over 2 billion queries, and it handled 10 million customer interactions per quarter in the restaurant segment, with over 13,000 locations deployed. Their agentic AI platform, Amelia 7.0, has driven early adoption across industries, leading to expanded deployments and contract renewals with major clients in telecom, financial services, healthcare, and hospitality. That's why if there can be at least 3 consecutive closes over $13 by the third week of July, the chart can more decisively rise out of this range. Over here, roaring up to the $2 threshold is Faraday Future. Given this significant level and recent red spikes around it, don't be too surprised if price goes neutral to bearish during the next trend-based fib time zone interval. It will be a normal retracement so long as contact can be maintained above 160 to keep within the well-defined uptrend. Then nearing the end of July, positive reception of the official FX Super One launch is the main catalyst that could push and extend trading into the 230s, as well as any major endorsements from co-creation like the recent appearance of Faraday Future in a Mariah Carey music video. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.